Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to automatically create hold-date contact for Mailchimp subscriber. So here I'm using Mailchimp as my email marketing platform and I'm using hold-date as my customer relationship management platform. Now here what I want is that I want to manage all these platforms together, and as I create a new subscriber in Mailchimp, then automatically I want to add that subscriber as a contact in hold-date too. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Mailchimp and hold-date. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as a new subscriber will be added in Mailchimp, then automatically that subscriber will be created as a new contact in hold-date. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can automatically create hold-date contact for Mailchimp subscriber. So managing customer data across multiple platforms can be challenging, especially when you're trying to maintain consistency and streamline communication. So for businesses using Mailchimp for email marketing and hold-date for customer relationship management, ensuring that subscriber information is synchronized between these two platforms is crucial. So imagine I own a growing online retail business and I use Mailchimp to manage my email marketing campaigns for sending out newsletters, promotional offers and updates to my subscriber, and simultaneously I rely on hold-date to handle my customer relationships. And this also includes tracking customer interactions, managing invoices and maintaining detailed contact information. So by automating this process of creating hold-date contacts for new Mailchimp subscriber using Pabbly Connect, I can achieve seamless data synchronization, ensuring that my CRM is always up to date with the latest subscriber information, and with this integration, I can have enhanced data consistency and automatically I can create a new contact in hold-date whenever someone subscribes to my Mailchimp list. So this will ensure that both platforms have the same customer information. It will also improve my customer relationship management, which will keep track of customer interactions and maintain comprehensive contact details without manual data entry. This will allow me to provide better services and follow-up. So this is going to save a lot of time and energy, and it is going to reduce my errors. So whether you are managing a small business or a large enterprise, automating the synchronization of subscriber information between Mailchimp and hold-date can significantly enhance your efficiency and data accuracy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up this automation, and for setting up this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this connection between Mailchimp and hold-date, and that too without any coding and programming skills. Now for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to automatically create hold-date contact for Mailchimp subscriber. And now I need to click on create, and this will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So here in our workflow, we can only set up one trigger step and multiple action steps. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and in my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application, and that is going to be Mailchimp. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Mailchimp here. Now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new subscriber will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So for that, I need to use this webhook URL, and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to my Mailchimp account. And here I will go to audience. And here in audience, I have this option of manage audience. So I'm going to open this. And in this I will go to settings. Now here in settings, I need to scroll down, and here I need to use this option of webhooks. So by using webhook, I'm going to connect Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open this, and here in webhooks, we can see I have this option of create new webhook. So I'm going to click here on this button, and for creating a new webhook, I need to first give a callback URL, and here in the callback URL tab, I'm going to use my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now what I need to do is, what type of updates should we send? So here I want to send the update of subscribers. So I'm going to select subscribes as my option, and I'm going to deselect all this. Now here I have this option of only send updates when a change is made, and I'm going to select all these options. So if a subscriber is created by the subscriber by filling out a form, or my account admin, or via API, then automatically as that subscriber will be created in Mailchimp, then that data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here I have selected all my details, and I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully added my webhook. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is a blank response because I have just added a webhook, and this is the confirmation response that my webhook is successfully added. Now I have added my webhook, so I need to click on recapture webhook response button. I will click on yes, and here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this response? For that, I need to create a new subscriber in Mailchimp, and for that I'm going to use my subscriber form that I have created for Mailchimp. Now by using this form, which is named as lead form, I'm going to create a new subscriber in Mailchimp. So here I need to add the detail of my subscriber. So my first name of subscriber will be Michael, last name will be Karas, email will be michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. Now here I need to give a mobile number, and I'm going to give a random mobile number of my subscriber. So this is going to be my random mobile number, and I need to select my gender. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select male here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on subscribe. I need to confirm this, so I'm going to click on I'm not a robot, and I'm going to click on subscribe. So here my subscription is confirmed, and I have created a new subscriber in Mailchimp. So now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the type that is subscribe. So I have created a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Here I have the mobile number of my subscriber. I have the gender that is male. I have the first name that is Michael. Last name is Karas. And I have the email address that is michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I have received this response of subscriber from Mailchimp. And now what I want is that as I've created the subscriber in Mailchimp, then automatically I want to add this subscriber as a contact in Holded too, so that I can manage all these data in both the platforms, and I can manage this relationship between this customer. So I'm using Holded as my customer relationship management platform, and I want to create a new contact in Holded with this subscriber detail. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab, and here my action application is going to be Holded. So I'm going to select Holded here, and now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create contact will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I need to connect Holded with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and for connecting Holded with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a API key. So how I'm going to get this API key? For that, I need to first log into my Holded account, and for getting the API key, I can click here on this hyperlink. And here we can see I have this option of API. So here what I need to do is I need to create a new API key. So I'm going to click here on this new API key button, and I need to first give a description. So for the description, I'm going to type the name of my API key, and that will be Mailchimp subscriber. So this is going to be the description, and now I need to click on save. And here it has generated this API key. So I'm going to copy this. I will close this and I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And now in this tab of API key, I'm going to paste my API key. Now I need to click on save. And I have connected Holded with Pabbly Connect. Now for creating a new contact, I need to fill all these details of my contact. And here in my contact details, I'm going to use all the detail of my subscriber that I've created in Mailchimp. So by using the response of Mailchimp, I'm going to create a new contact in Holded and I'm going to map all those responses here in these tabs. So here for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Mailchimp and I need to first map the name of my contact or the subscriber. So I'm going to map the first name of my subscriber. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now similarly, I'm going to map the email address. So I need to click here. I will open this response of Mailchimp and here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the phone number. So I need to click here. I will open this response of Mailchimp and here this is the mobile number or the phone number of my contact. So I'm going to map this. And here these were the detail of my subscriber that I have received as a response from Mailchimp. So I'm going to use all these detail here. And here I have all these tab of other details, but I'm not receiving all these detail from my Mailchimp subscriber. So I'm not going to fill these detail here. But if you want to fill all these detail, then you can do that. And now I'm going to scroll down and I need to select my contact type. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select my contact type as lead. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to scroll down. And now I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new contact in Holded with all the detail of my subscriber that I have received from Mailchimp. So to check this, let me take you back to Holded. Here I will go to Contacts. And here in Contacts, I will go to Leads. And here in Leads, we can see I have created this contact which is named as Michael Karras. Email is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. And I have this random mobile number of my contact. And here we can see that I have added all the detail of my subscriber that I have received from Mailchimp and I have created this contact here in Holded. So I'm going to open this contact. And here we can see that by using all the detail of my subscriber from Mailchimp, I have created a new contact in Holded. So here my connection between Mailchimp and Holded is working successfully. And now to check this again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my subscriber form of Mailchimp one more time. And here I'm going to create a new subscriber. So here my first name will be John. Last name will be Doe. Email will be johndoe@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And now I need to select my gender and that is already selected as male. And I'm going to click on subscribe. I'm going to confirm this. And now I'm going to click on subscribe. So here we can see that my subscription is confirmed and I have successfully created this new subscriber in Mailchimp. Now here what should happen is that automatically by using all the detail of my subscriber from Mailchimp, a new contact should be created in Holded too. So to check this, let me take you back to Holded. I will close this and I'm going to refresh this page. And here in this contact page of lead, we can see I have created this new contact that is named as John Doe. Email is johndoe@pabblytudes.com and I have this random phone number. So here we can see that I have created this new contact which has the contact type of lead and have all the detail of my subscriber that I have created in Mailchimp. So here I have used all these details to create a new subscriber in Mailchimp, and by using all these details of my subscriber, I have automatically created a new contact in Holded. So here I have synchronized all these data of Holded and Mailchimp together and I have successfully created this automation and this integration between Mailchimp and Holded. So here my connection and this automation is working successfully. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we have created this connection between Mailchimp and Holded to automatically create Holded contact for Mailchimp subscriber. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Mailchimp and my trigger event was new subscriber. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was hold date, and my action event was create contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.